Hi guys, it's AlphaBlue again, and you're welcome to yet another daily Euro USD fundamental and technical analysis. So before we go into today's analysis, please, I need you guys to do me a favor. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please smash that subscribe button. Like the video and smash the subscribe button. Please, I would really love to see you guys subscribe to this channel so we keep growing and I keep getting encouraged to create more content for you on a daily basis. So this is Euro USD on the 15-minute time frame. I so love what's going on the chart right now. I'm very excited because yesterday I was actually able to predict the direction of the market correctly, even when it was seeming as if this market was going to buy and all of that. A lot of people were getting confused because of this move that you see right here. Because of this move that happened right here during the London session. So a lot of people thought the market is going to be bullish and all, but then at the end of the day, we saw this sell-off. So the market actually sold, and then it even reached my target, which was this line here. Even though I didn't get an entry and I didn't take the trade, but then it was nice to see your analysis play out. So today now, what are we looking at on Euro USD? I'm still expecting price to continue pushing to the downside. I'm still expecting price to come lower. I'm expecting price to take out this horizontal line at least today. So this was a bearish move yesterday. We got to see the correction during the Asian range. Then now London open, we're seeing that price is beginning to push to the downside again. So I'm actually expecting to see price move all the way down to this horizontal line I have here. So this is what I want to see happen on Euro USD today. And the truth is, or the thing is, we're most likely going to see this happen. Like we're most likely going to see price come to this zone here. But the question is, how are you going to enter the trade? Where are you going to enter this trade so you don't get stopped out before price reaches this destination? Because right now, as you can see, price is already pushing to the downside. So are you going to enter a trade right now? Or what are you going to wait for before you enter this trade? That's a very important question that every trader needs to answer, or that you need to answer, that you need to ask yourself and answer. If not, you're going to enter the trade at the wrong time and you lose out. So right now, what am I expecting? What am I looking at? This price just took out the Asian low, and then I don't see this price as, I don't see just pushing down straight like this. No, what I'm expecting for price to do is to grab liquidity at like to the upside, grab buy side liquidity before it sells off. So I'm expecting to see price come up, take out all of this internal liquidity, this liquidity within the Asian range, take out this, probably even take out this line, this liquidity, the Asian high liquidity, or even take out this wick right here, this wick right here, or even take it out before we begin to see push to the downside. So that's what I'm expecting to see happen. Now, there are two things that could happen today right now. You see that we see price pushes down. You see that we see price go up according to what I'm predicting, you know. Sorry. So you see that we see price do this. It will come back up, clear some liquidity before it will push down to the downside like this. Right? See that it does this. Or another thing it could do is it could just continue pushing down. Like it should just continue um to just continue selling off like this. It will just continue selling off. So when you see this happen, if this second scenario happens, don't get scared, don't fret. You could still catch the sales. What you just need to do then is to wait for price to pull back or to retrace in to retrace for you to get an opportunity to sell during the New York session. You get, so if London session now doesn't clear this liquidity, Asian high, and all of the liquidity resting above, if London session rather doesn't clear all of those liquidity in the Asian range resting above, don't worry. You could still get an opportunity to sell to this place. If the price just pushes down like this, what you're going to do is just to wait for price to come back up, take out internal liquidity, then sell back to the downside like this. And this is going to happen like late London and New York session in the afternoon, another kind 2, 3, 4 p.m., 5 p.m. set. So you will still catch this move. So whichever thing happens, just get ready. Don't worry, you're still gonna get the entry. As far as you've been able to establish the daily bias, you've been able to establish that price is gonna move in a certain direction, of which in this case, I'm predicting that price will continue being bearish. So if price is gonna continue being bearish, all you just need to wait for is to see key liquidity areas that price is gonna grab and then move to the downside. So but then one thing you have to also be mindful of is that we are in a bullish trend. This whole move is like a corrective move of this very strong bullish move we have here. So price will only sell to a particular level before it continue buying. Ultimately, this particular level right here is where I'm mindful of. Once price gets to this level here, I'm going to be off, like my mind will be off selling and I'll begin to look to long the market. So this is like my ultimate target for the sell. Once price comes back into this breakout block right here, then I'm just going to be careful with the sales and we'll start looking to continue the long, continue the bullish move on Euro USD. So this is my piece on Euro USD this morning. Just be careful, watch the market carefully, apply proper risk management, lose properly. If you're going to take a loss, let it be that you're losing confidently. There's something I need to tell you. Whenever you lose a trade and you lost it properly, say you took proper risk management and you waited for your setup, your criteria, and you took that trade but it hit you out, you're still going to be very confident on the next trade. So if you're risking just 0.5% per trade and you lose a trade and you just lost 0.5% exactly, and the setup was clean, was good, just that the trading go your way, you're going to be very, very pumped up and confident to take the next trading opportunity you see. But when you lose wrongly, you lose more than what you're supposed to lose, you lost because you were impatient, you FOMOed in on a trade, your confidence level is going to drop. Next thing is that you're going to start having fear in the market. You're going to start fearing. So when you see a next setup, instead of you to execute it without fear, without emotions will get attached. You'll be scared. You don't know whether this one is going to play out or not. You may risk more based on you're trying to revenge trade because you're angry now that you didn't take last trade according to your trading rules and all of that. So even when you're going to take a loss, always take a loss professionally. Always take a loss like a big boy, like a smart guy. Take the loss because it's inevitable to lose in Forex, not taking a loss because you were impatient and you didn't follow your rules. So that's a very, very solid piece of advice I'm going to drop with you guys today, this morning. So I hope today is a very profitable day for you all. I hope today is going to be peaceful. So if you found value in this, please smash the like button and subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Let's get to 2K. We're just above 1.2K subscribers now. Let's get this to 2K, 5K to 10K. So cheers, guys, and see you in the next one.